You too. Cannot have the plastic bag. Can't have my shoe either. Can't have my elbow. I know you're trying to get my attention. You want more. I know you want more. But what if there is no more right now? Huh? Today and yesterday I got the opportunity to feed the geese out here and feed the seagulls. It's really nice just to connect back with nature, connect back with the natural environment. It's relaxing. It is the simple things sometimes that keep us in the best shape and give us the best hope. Give us the best therapy.